Okay, Algebra 2 students, here we have a video for example 4 for section 3.4. We're going to start off with the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. The remainder theorem states that if a polynomial is divided by x minus a, the remainder is going to be p of a, which we already learned in a previous section. And it goes all the way down to the factor theorem, which states that the expression x minus a is a factor of a polynomial if and only if p of a equals 0. In other words, if we end up with a remainder of 0, that means the p minus a must have been a factor. We're going to use that to break down polynomials. Use the remainder theorem to evaluate polynomials. All right, what do we have here?
The population of tortoises on an island is modeled by the function p of x equals negative x cubed plus 6 times x squared plus 12 times x plus 325, where x is the number of years since 2015. Use the remainder theorem to estimate the population in 2023.
All right, so this is a formula. This is an equation for since 2015. They want us to find out the population in 2023. 23 minus 15 is 8. So all you really have to do is plug in an 8. And you can plug in an 8 if you want, or they're asking us to use the remainder theorem. So we would do it out this way. We would have an 8, and then we'd have the coefficients, negative 1, 6, 12, and 335. And we would do synthetic division to find out where the remainder is, and the remainder is 293. So that tells us the estimated population in 2023 is 293 tortoises. Okay? We're just using the synthetic division to answer the question. And they have one question for us.
A technology company uses the function r of x equals negative x cubed plus 12 times x squared plus 6 times x plus 80 to model expected annual revenue in thousands of dollars for a new product, where x is the number of years after the product is released. Use the remainder theorem to estimate the revenue in year 5.
Okay, just going to plug in a 5, synthetic division, so you can do that on your own and come back when you're ready. Let's see if hopefully I have it set up. Sure, I'm going to plug in a 5. I have negative 1, and 12, and 6, and 80, and I bring down the negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Add those together and get 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Add these together and get 41. 41 times 5 is 205. And 80 plus 205 is 285. So it's 285. Let's see what the units were. $285,000, I think. $285,000. Very straightforward. Let's see if they gave us many problems to do. This was example 4, I think. So we have 24 through 27, 12, and 13. That's it for this video. Have a great day.